So this is pretty much the home screen of the PUBG wallpaper application here, and you have a lot of wallpapers which you can choose from. As you can see here, you can even use this as your profile pics for your WhatsApp, Facebook, whatever the case is. You can pretty much go ahead and use them. So once you do tap on any one of these wallpapers, you will see an ad. All you have to do is pretty much exit off, let it finish load, and then you go ahead and exit off. As you can see here, it's going to finish. You tap on the icon here and exit. Here you can go ahead and download the wallpaper. As you can see here, pretty much HD, and I can go ahead and tap on this here to download wallpaper. Will be saved to my gallery. Just tap on allow here, it will pretty much go to your gallery. You may want to tap on it again, and it will pretty much load up. As you can see here, it's saved in my gallery, but we'll load up an ads for you to download it. Once the ads is finished, you're pretty much good to go. You'll be able to see it in your gallery settings. So that's pretty much it for that there. And as well, you can set it as your wallpaper. So again, all of the rules is tap on the set wallpaper option, and you can either set it as home screen or your lock screen. So either one that works for you guys. It's up to you. And as well, as you can see here, just scroll and look for what you want. You do have this section where you can tap on this here to either select a male type of wallpaper or a female type of wallpaper, anyone that suits you best. As you can see here, you have the male exclusive section where you only see male characters or male game characters, as you can see here, and as well you do have the female character section. But if not, you just want to see all of them, you can just tap on the home screen option here, and you're pretty much good to go. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section, see if I can help you. See you in the next one.